Discover the stars with Simply Astrology, the clear and affordable, introductory Udemy course from Sasha Fenton. Ever wanted to understand astrology without getting lost in confusing terms? Simply Astrology is a beginner-friendly Udemy course designed to make learning astrology simple, practical, and meaningful. What you'll learn: the true meanings of planets, zodiac signs, and houses. How to interpret your own birth chart and those of others. Insights to help with relationships, career, and self-discovery. Whether you're just curious or ready to dive deep, this course gives you a clear roadmap through the cosmos. With easy-to-follow lessons and real-world examples, you'll be reading charts in no time. Taught by a passionate, experienced astrologer, Sasha Fenton's Simply Astrology is your gateway to a deeper understanding of the universe and yourself. Enroll now and start your astrology journey today.